Write the following numbers in descending order. We have five numbers: 768, 1328, 1345, 746, and 892. Descending order means we go from the greatest value down to the lowest, greatest to least, high to low. Let's first look at how many digits each number has. Two of these are four-digit numbers. Four-digit numbers are always greater than three-digit numbers. So the top two spots belong to 1328 and 1345. These three, 768, 746, and 892, are all three-digit numbers. They will fill spots 3, 4, and 5. But first, let's rank the four-digit numbers. Which one is higher, 1328 or 1345? We compare digit by digit, starting from the left. Let's go to the thousands place. Since both numbers have a 1, it's the same. So let's move right. In the hundreds place, both numbers have a 3. So since they're the same again, let's move right. In the tens place, we have 2 versus 4. Since 4 is greater than 2, that means that 1345 is greater than 1328. 1345 is first, and 1328 is second. Now let's move down to the three-digit numbers: 768, 746, and 892. Same process, compare digit by digit from the left. Starting from the hundreds place, 892 has an 8, and the other two have a 7. Since 8 is greater than 7, 892 is the largest of the three. So 892 goes in spot number 3. On to the last two, 768 versus 746. Let's start again in the hundreds place. Both have a 7. Since they're the same, we move right. Tens place, 6 versus 4. Since 6 is greater than 4, that means 768 is greater than 746. 768 in the fourth slot, and 746 is fifth, the lowest of all five numbers. So in descending order, greatest to least, we have 1345, 1328, 892, 768, and 746. The process is always the same. If a number has more digits, that means it's a greater number. If there's the same number of digits, compare place by place, starting from the left. And that is how you arrange whole numbers in descending order. If this helped, please subscribe. More GED math coming very, very soon. I'll see you in the next one.